But you ain't seen nothing till you've seen the Polish sausage.
Yeah, get your sausage out. Hey! Oh, Jesus Christ.
Coming to our destination. And apparently here's one still with the roof on.
I don't snore.
I've never heard myself.
Oh, you want to
King by you, I am. I am. I'll tell everyone else.
They'll all learn it, the young Padawan.
Right, to be honest, I meant to put the door this side. Messed up. Got a few lads here. We're in a quarry. We're gonna sit in there in a minute. Caravan in the distance.
You got the Hilleberg.
Yeah.
I got the Hilleberg on steroids.
It's the same, man.
Sus and Decker.
Well, he's had a lot more experience, mate.
Sus Decker.
Right, he's given me some bungees.
10mm poles, yeah?
Ah, the 10 mils. An extra 1 mil on me.
Put the bungee cords on that, see?
Yeah, right.
You can pull it. You can pull the bottom up a bit tighter.
Ah, yeah. Right, okay. Tidy. Lee's lent me a scat footprint for tonight. It's quite a good fit, actually. Seems tidy. Let's get this set up. First beer.
Dog shoulder.
Little special. I'm getting a crash course from Man's Red 3 Hillebergs. They're starting to look a lot better, mate. There's a couple of buildings I'm going to explore a bit later. But this is our one for tonight. It's one of the only ones with the roof still on. And we've all brought a bit of wood. Oh, this should be ideal. This is perfect. Man, oh, there's plenty of room in here. Look at the views as well. Views of Penavon when the mist disappears. All right. Making a little fire pit. I don't know what it's going to smell like. Mine once this starts drying out, but you see that? A bit of security for his chair. What is it?
Gas bottle top. Oh, no, the refill gas, blue gas cans.
Yeah.
Tops off it. Stick them in like that. They stop them ripping through it, see?
No, you shouldn't have a problem now.
Should be like.
Well, my chair lasted about 10 uses before it ripped through.
You're a lot heavier than me, aren't
I'm
you?
a big boy, am I?
He's 36 stone.
Is it? It's a rough one up here, mate. This is where we are. We're in that building there. We haven't got the fire going yet, but that'll be coming soon. I'm gonna have to go and get some thermals on, I think. It's a bit chilly. Should be sorted now. What's the temp? 10 degrees. Sun ain't gone down yet. I don't think it's supposed to get much colder than that tonight, though. First steak.
Yep. Your sirloin. Mushrooms, onions,
Banana.
chilies.
Try nominate who gets it.
Oh, I like a bit of proper chilies, man. Bosch has got prawns, I think.
Steak baguette, steak and onion baguette. Bit of cheese.
Ah, that's the way.
That'll do for this first one. Round 2 coming up.
Hot dogs for tea. But you ain't seen nothing till you've seen the Polish sausage.
Yeah, get your sausage out. Hey! Oh, Jesus Christ.
Split it up.
Full length and girth, I'd say.
Oh, there's a good bit of girth on that, son.
That's alright.
Tearing over Pioneer. Leaking.
I think it's where I'm going in and bringing water into it.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
The bag's fine.
Yeah.
Little drips on the outside.
Oh, it is a bit wet.
Yeah, a little bit wet, like. Reckons he's getting a few drips through here.
And it's the only part I didn't see him seal.
Yeah.
Stupidly.
I suppose there's a couple of stitches on there.
Yeah.
But I reckon, right, if you use that over a week, I think they'd swell up and you'd be alright.
Yeah.
Because that's like the old school way of doing it.
Absolutely, good shout. Look, you can still see it coming through. Look
yeah.
at that.
Yeah, it's not good, is it? Right, so have a look at mine then.
Have a look. Hold on.
Brand new
Have a look
tent.
Have a look from the top.
Ah,
Down the seam. Okay, and go down the seam.
right.
Yours looks pucker.
There you go.
It looks pucker. There's
Yeah.
no like soaking through patches.
Right, okay. Ooh, couple of drips. Not much is there.
No, that's perfect.
It's better than the last two tents anyway.
That seam, that sewn looks absolutely perfect. Oh, he hasn't got any.
Apparently we're adding control. This is a small sausage.
I'll put some sauce on that.
Give it a good nos, mate.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We've got the music.
I like that. Yeah.
Give a little kiss as well. There he goes. Hey.
We'll have multiple angles though, that's not.
Thatcher's blood orange side up. Ah, classic. Give it a go. She on the top of that.
Never mind, it's all good for you.
Good for the complexion.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sweet. Easily drank.
I guess soap, yeah.
Easily drunk.
4%.
Yeah.
And you get lad up off that, which is like pop.
Yeah, right.
It's like orange, bloody. Always. Oh, it is orange, yeah.
Drink it all day.
And then you know, they say cider, you think of apple, but it does taste some orange.
Yeah.
Not blood. Orange blood.
Blood orange.
Say hello to me.
The Lost Boys. He knows exactly what the fire needs. He knows exactly what time the fire needs the fuel, and he will bring the fuel to the fire. We're on the big screen tonight.
thing you don't see like the big
So they're going to burn herself out.
Come on!
Right, slad down.
Always ready.
Ready?
Science!
Oh, good splat.
That's a good one.
It's a lot of poop in that. Oh shit! I've got to say that.
Look at that. That's what?
Look at the
5 mil,
flappers,
6
though.
mil?
Can you do it?
Oh! Oh, look who we got here!
Oi, lad!
Again. Well, not gonna
Yeah. So there's a danger down there. You see that flare? Stunning day. So this is the quarry we camp next to. It is massive. Didn't you realise? So we're camping just up the top of this. Yeah, I saw a nice building at the top of this track, and it looks watertight. I'm thinking about just coming back and sleeping in there. Stick a bed in there. I could maybe cover the door if it's cold. That's got to be done, I think. Right, we've cleared up. Nothing's here. We're off.
We tidied other people up as well.
Yeah. Shout out to these legends. Thanks for watching. Catch you again.